Hi and welcome again with Umbraco tutorials. As you see, today we are doing part 11. Today we are going to talk about Umbraco macros. This will be part 2 of Umbraco macros. At the first or the previous videos we have done a small tutorial about Umbraco macros. We talk just about the basics and what is the benefit of Umbraco macros. And we have even I show you a small example how to use this macros. So today I want to go to use it in a bit complicated example. It's not complicated, it's a bit, let's say, more advanced stuff, and how to so we'll see how to code it, and what we'll see more benefit of this Umbraco macros. So let's go to Visual Studio and see what we are going to do today together. Let's close this PowerPoint, and here we are in the back office, but let me show you first in the template we have picked before. So as you see, this template we have split it, and we have done a lot of this stuff in this one. So today I want to just show you how to be simple to add this part here. So we already have this page as a menu page. So if I want to do this macro, so I can add it wherever I want. I can add it in about, or I can add in the reservation or story, and anywhere. So just this part I can do it macro with this buttons here too. So I can use this one through the grid or through the RTE content. So how to do this stuff? It's not that hard and not that easy, but let's try to do it together. So the first step is we need to go to settings. So in the settings we can go to partial view macros files. I can add a new template here. So I need a new partial view macro. What I'm calling it, I call it my menu. Let me save it. So this automatically it should create for me macros too. I just refresh the page. If you go to macros, I'll find my menu here. So I will not add the code first. I will just configure it, or we can say here I need this one to be in the rich text editor and the grid. Save it. If I close everything, I back to my Visual Studio and the views. It should be under macros here, and you just need to show the hidden files. That's my view. So I just include it to my project, and I open it now here. So here what I want here, I want to fetch data, or I will give the user ability to choose which page he want to pick, and the number of the items he want to display. So let just me show you what I mean with that one. If I want to open my template again, so I want to give him ability to add the number, how many items he want to show to the end user. So if you see here, as you see here, you have three each one of them. So I want to just add one more parameter here. You can say I need just to display for me one row or two rows or three rows. It depends how he wanted. So that will be easier. And yeah, let's do that first, and we back to our code to know our parameter's name. How is it? So in the back office again, we're back to settings. Now we'll go to macros. We'll choose our macro. So here we need to add the parameters. First one, let's call it my page or my menu page. We can call it, maybe it should be a menu page. Alias to what will be a menu page. And the editor. So what's the editor here? So which type of the data type here you need to be the picker for the page. So I will choose the easiest one. It's the content picker, or you can choose one more. Here we have the content type picker, but I choose this one because it will return to me the Umbraco unique link for the page. I will show you what mean that. So let's say submitted. And as I said to you, I guess we need the number of the items. We can call it number of items. That's capital N V, and we can put something integers we need it, so we can put numeric. Let's fix this one here and submit it. So the important thing, just we remember these names here. I'll leave it running. So I'll back to my Visual Studio here. What I will say. Okay, sorry. So first things, we need to get the page link. Let's call it page ID or page. Yeah, it's page ID because we return Umbraco ID. It will be model dot macro parameters. I will make it dot to string. So, but what is it, the macro parameters? As I said to you, we leave it. Let's take from here. This one. This will return me the page link. I will leave debug 2 to show you what's mean that one. Second one, we need the number of items. So it will be same model dot macro parameters dot to string. Okay, the name of the number, can pick it from this one. I'm copying because I don't want to make spelling mistakes like this. So what this one, I need it to be convert 20. I need it to be integer because then depend on this number. I'll pick how many I need. Okay, the next step is we need to, so we get the link here, but I need the children under this link. What you can say here, var, let's call it yeah, we say my menus would be better. Let's call it Umbraco, sorry, content. So I'll just pass my page ID. Okay, yeah. So after that, I need yeah, after we get the content of this page, yeah, I think this one enough here. We can continue on with the, yeah, I think yeah, this one here. If you get the content, after that you can switch the children. I think we can use the code we have written already in the, which one, in this page, I think. So to make it easier, I will copy this one. Yeah, let's go to the end of this page. I will not use everything, so I will just pick two. Maybe I don't want this macro be too big, so let's do like this. So we don't want to display the drinks, and we don't need that's back to you. You can display as much as you want, but I don't want to make this macro it's full page. Just it will be just showing details, nothing more than that. How many we did it? We have 1, 2, and 3. That's it. Here, this one we can leave it. We don't need it. And so we need the content model. So we don't have this one. We can call it. We can say add using. We can say content. Yeah. We can call it models equal We call our project Umbraco V83 models. So this one we have done it. So as I mentioned to you before, I don't know, still confused. Call everything's here and just replace it in this one. I think let's do that one. Okay, var so let's call it my page, and here it will be my menus. So here it will be my page dot, I need the children under this one should be children. So this children I can say dot where they are x equal x dot visible should be, wow, what's that? Oh my god. Oh yeah, sorry. Yes, should be is visible. Yeah. So I don't want everything. I want just to take from this one number of items. So why I have done this one, why I didn't do this one straight away, I put this children after this page ID dot children, because I wanna the page ID. I will show you what's I mean with that one. So if we go now, I will copy my menu, I will replace it with this one here, and I will replace it with, here it's fine, and I replace it with this one and replace it here. Oops, great, come on, let's save it. So this now I think it's fine and it should work with us. Yeah, I have already put here just to debug it and show you what will return. So if I back now to my back office, I go to content. I don't know what I have done. Let's save it, no problem. Save. So if I back to the content, to which page we can show this one, I don't know, this one is working, no, let me check this one, I don't know, just to somewhere to display it. So you have the option to display it wherever you want. Let's back to contact page. What's happening? So let's go to this page and see what we have there. So from the content here, we don't have contact page, so we can't display it here. Maybe in future we can talk about the grid, how to display in the grid, it will be nice too. So maybe back to about page. In the about page, it's fine here if you want to display it in the contact page. It's easy, we can do it. I can show you very fast how to do it, maybe just to refresh our memory. So this one, it was type of, I think it was type of, let's go to info. Open the document type. So in the document type we can add something called content. So let's call it or call it page content. Okay, and this one we can say rich text editor, choose the used one, and we can leave it empty too, just save it. And we need to add this one in the template too after saving this one. So it will be displayed here now, and to be displayed in the front, to be displayed here, I need just to add it in my template. So if I go to the easiest way, I go here and I see all this stuff where we want to display. If we go to this page, we can display it under this one, or Let's leave it at the bottom, maybe. I think it will be better. So let's go to message. Let's put it here. So there is easy way. I can just say from here value. If I wanna, what I called that one, if you remember, it was page content. So they will display it as model value, or I can display it the other way, as we can say model dot page content. It's both of them similar. They work, both of them. So if I say it here publish, if I back to on this one here, I'll pick my macro. So now as you see, I can see two macros here, the old one and the new one. So I'll pick this one. So now here this content picker. If I press on this one, they say to you choose which page you want. Under the home page, I should pick only type of menu, because my page working on type of menu only. This one it will be issue in future, because maybe they will pick different things, but we should write message for them, pick only menu, and we can fix it on the back to just avoid choosing different page. So this one will be rendered now. To take it to Visual Studio, I'll just back. I will show you what I mean with the ID. So page ID, as you see, it's Umbraco document ID. It's not link and it's not ID or number. So this one, it's how we can get the children for this page. We'll get it from this one here. Sorry, from this one. First, we'll get the page, the name, the link, the HTML link or the URL for this one. After that, you can get the yeah. So, and we get our number of items. So here we get our page or the menu page. After that, we'll get the menus or the children after that under it. So let's continue on now. So as you see, it's rendered here too a bit. So if you say save, we'll go again back here. So let's save it. If we go to contact us page, and if we go to the bottom of this page, and we'll see our menu here. So it's just simple. We add it in the we add only the macro and display it here, and you can add it wherever you want. Let's suppose in the about page, I can add it to there. I'll just show you. It's very simple. If we go to this one here, we already have two. Let's display one more. We choose the my menu, so I can pick my menu page on the menu page. As I mentioned here, this one solution, how to pick this stuff from here, my menu, and you can cancel this one, and you can from the front you can say I need just document type of menu only. But I prefer this one to give them the option to pick which one they want. Maybe they have more than one menu, so more than one menu page, so they can pick the menu page from here. And if they pick different things, you can put try catch to catch that error and not this, or to avoid that exception. Just you can put try catch to show the user there is issue. So if we publish this one again, after publishing, we come back to the about page. So there is one more things I think in that page. There is the button for see more or show more there, and which one? Yeah, view all menu. This one we can add it to, and or we can use the old macro that we have done. We call it my button to here, but I think that will be enough for it. I don't want this to be too long. Where we are, yeah, that's the chef. I don't know where I put it. It should be here somewhere. Let's refresh this page. So you can pick this macro to put. Yeah, it's not rendered good because we have a small section here. We can display all this good. But for that button, we can. This one you can pick the macros to put it, or you can add something under the macro here. You can just put, let me show you very fast. Let me just first pick the code. I think we can use the old macro, this one. I just need to pick this one here, copy it, way back to my menu, and let's put it, I think, let's leave it here at the end. So where is the link? And this one we don't need it. And so the link, it will be, as I told you here, it will be my page dot URL and the name dot name. That's it. So we have added this one here too. Let's go render it again in, let's back to contact page. We should see that, oh, it's here. Yeah, just need to make it at the center. That's it for today. I think it's a bit long, but I'll try next time to make it shorter than this, but it's a bit too much stuff to show you. And for next time, maybe I'm thinking for something new. I think that's enough for the macros. We have covered good stuff on it, and I show you how to do it, how to use it. I'm sure it will be very useful for you to use in Umbraco. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.